And of course, with the colder temperatures, you may be inclined to use a space heater, but the Des Moines Fire Department says a space heater should be rated and approved for use. It's also crucial to pick one with key safety tools.
Some of the features that you're going to want to look for on a space heater are anti-tip, so if it tips over, it'll shut off. Another function or feature that you're going to want to consider is one that has a timer. And also, whenever you use these, make sure that you're using them when you're awake.
Captain Myers says to avoid a fire risk, space heaters should be at least 3 feet away from curtains or anything else that's flammable.